I'll take care of this. Jin.
Yes.
Genius Jin.
Thanks, Brandon. I'm going to introduce more technical information of IP3. We can see lots of power plant, coal-fired power plant and combined power plant, hydroelectric power plant, and nuclear power plant. This kind of power plant have some things in common. First, all kinds of power plants make electricity, and second, they use a turning force to make it. Now, as we can understand these two commons, all kinds of power plants need a turning force to make electricity. So, electronic equipment are mostly the same in every power plant. But mechanical equipment are different by demand of electricity and technology of manufacture and what kind of fuel used. So mechanic engineering is the main part of power plant. What are the different points between IPP3 and other power plants? The first point is main equipment. Even though many power plants have been built in developing countries recently, turbine is main equipment. Gas turbines and steam turbines are used normally, but IPP3 only uses diesel engines. This is turbine, and this is inside of the turbine. It has many blades, and these blades make a turning force when fuel explodes. This picture will have to help you to understand. Intake air make the turning force first, and explosive gas makes the turning force bigger. So turbine can make a lot of electricity. Can make a lot of turning force than turbine. This is engine, and this is sectional view of the engine. I think this simple picture is familiar to you. Koreans study in high school for this cylinder. Engine uses this cylinder to make a turning force, and it is totally the same process with your car engine. IPP3 engine has 18 cylinders, and they then use three kinds of fuel: HFO, heavy fuel oil, and LFO, light fuel oil, the same as the diesel, and gas. Even turbine can make more electricity than turbine engine. Turbine needs lots of auxiliary facilities for this, and engine needs only two inlet and outlines for fuel and exhaust gas. Thus, cars and buses use engine instead of turbine, and Africa and snowmobiles use engine because engine needs only small facilities to make electricity. Turbine can use oil, but its main fuel is gas, and oil is suitable to engine. Turbine can make more than 100 megawatt per hour for each unit, but engine can make less than 40 megawatt per hour. IPP3 engine make 16 megawatt per hour for each unit. The famous manufacturer of engine turbines are Siemens and GE. and engines are MAN and Bachelor. Even though they are our vendor, they act as our owners. That's the funny thing. The second point is where steam is used. Normally, steam used for steam turbines to produce electricity, or it provides to the cities for heating and supply hot water. But IPP3 use steam which generated from waste heat steam generator, the same as boiler. The steam used for heating HFO, because HFO becomes jelly under the 4 point. So HFO needs to be kept warm. So I went to Pakistan for a special equipment to heat HFO. Nobody supplies HFOs by tankery except Pakistan and Jordan. The third point, the last point is which device used for water cooling. Normally, other projects use cooling tower, but it needs plenty of water for circulation. But IPP3 integrates radiators. Because radiators use less water than cooling tower, because Jordan doesn't have enough water. This is IPP3 bird's eye view. These buildings have a 38 units of engine and 11 units of boilers. The other equipments are auxiliary facilities of engine. It called BOP, means balance of plant. And these three huge tanks store HFO, and another one store LFO. The operator will control all plants in this control house. Thanks for listening our presentation, and we welcome your any question, if any.